Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn off repost button on Instagram post. So you might just decide not to allow or give anybody access to repost any of your videos or your reels on Instagram. So I'm going to show you how to make that possible. So first thing you have to do is you have to click open your Instagram app and click on your profile, which is below your screen, and you look above your screen at the right side corner. You're going to see 3 horizontal lines. Click on that. So after you click open, what you need to do is scroll down till you see sharing and reuse, right? So you click on that, open, then scroll down a little bit and you're going to see repost on posts and reels. So all you need to do is turn off that, right? So once you turn that off, nobody will have access to repost your video or your post or your reels either. So it's quite simple on how to do this. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.